is Victory Liner. Daming mga ano. So, this one. So, hintay na lang. Ito yung sleeper bus. We are the next na. So, it is sleeper bus. You see how tight is that? I don't know. This is only the protection. So I can fall down. I don't know. And I can just know that. I put my feet like that. I can put it down too.
Ninong Ryan Oyat, Ninong Arnel Victoria, Ninong Fernando Agustin, Ninong Louie Matiaga, Ninong Jeremiah
Wala bang free wifi dito?
Ninong Arman Caludado, Ninong Ralph Jordan Galioso,
Ha?
Ninong Srogasi,
Oh, mga ninong,
Ninong Jack
ninang.
Alex Lucas, Ninong P. Wilfred
Ninong.
Omanyo.
Nachos. My king is right there. Tulog na tulog. Ayan, nakabalik na tayo ng Manila, guys. So, rest day natin ngayon. Tomorrow may work na.